睇睇今屆嘅3冠大賽頭關啊，董事杯，我哋交啦。
你入咗閘，直線力山，最後入閘係竹園，全部馬匹準備妥當，8場賽事，一級賽16米董事杯。
And they are ready for the Stewards Cup. Racing in the Stewards Cup. Romantic Warrior began well, speed off the inside from Red Lion, My Wish, and Lucky Swayness outside the quartet up front. Voyage Bubble looking to push through and keep Romantic wide early from Galaxy Patch, Beauty Joy. About 2 or 3 lengths to Straight Aaron and Sunlight Power as last. Almost a line of 4. Red Lion, My Wish, Lucky Swayness and Romantic Warriors in that group too. Then came Galaxy Patch and Voyage Bubble. Next is Beauty Joy from Straight Aaron and Sunlight Power, 2.5 lengths away last of all. Lucky Swayness past the 1,000 metre mark, allowed rain and rolls to the top. Red Lion second, My Wish third and Romantic Warrior 3 wide, so McDonald sends him forward, but he is wide around that first bend. Voyage Bubble follows him. Then came My Wish getting a shuffle up from Beauty Joy. Galaxy Patch, Sunlight Power takes off and back amongst the tail enders, Straight Aaron, but there's only 4 lengths over the field. Lucky Swayness leads. Romantic Warrior 1 off and 3 wide, Voyage Bubble. Sunlight Power next from My Wish and then came Red Lion. It's the big 2. Romantic Warrior. Voyage Bubble's about a 1/2 length away from Lucky Swayness and Sunlight Power. He hasn't moved, McDonald. Romantic Warrior, 2:20 to go. Leads Lucky Swayness. Voyage Bubble's all done. And then Sunlight Power, but it's Romantic Warrior. 100 metres to go. Over a game, Lucky Swayness and Voyage Bubble. And now this great horse at the Stewards Cup. Romantic Warrior. What an animal. He beat home Lucky Swayness and maybe Voyage Bubble kicked on for third from either My Wish or Sunlight Power. Then Beauty Joy, Galaxy Patch, Straight Aaron and Red Lion is the last one in. What a horse. Remarkable. 1.5 and 1. 1,600 metres. Credit to Lucky Swayness trying the distance for the first time. He's gone a super race, but he's chasing a champion, and Voyage Bubbles kicked on for third, but he was never a factor. They've gone 132.6, which is well inside standard. Standard's 133.9, and he has jogged it. There is nothing this horse can't do. And now he's added to a trophy cabinet.
第4名兩隻近嘅8號竹園啊，9號陽光勇士都要睇一睇。影相再分勝負，臨尾都係佢大熱門嘅浪漫勇士1.5倍，
贏卡士啦，早段4碟都唔驚啊，跟住殺埋嚟2碟。
不過遨遊氣泡嗰個出閘真係比我想中慢喎，好立喎真係。
上場黑輝可能用多咗。
但係冇諗過3爭埋條 Q 啊嘛。
係啊。
而家條機會好分啊！
係
27倍
，1搭3。好，應該係隨時會睇佢現場嘅訪問啊。
On this horse, he really is like a fine wine, isn't he? He's 8 now, James, and that's probably as good as we've ever seen from him.
Yeah, he's incredible. I said it a month ago. He's a horse of a lifetime. His demeanour, his courage, his will to win. It's just in spades, you know. He's just incredible.
He is, isn't he? Peter said beforehand to Jack Dorling that he wanted a Stewards Cup. You fulfilled that dream for him.
Yeah, well, he's been a bit unlucky in it over the past, but bumped into a very good horse. But he's a warrior. He's a warrior.
Nice way to start a bid for a Triple Crown.
Yeah, for sure. It's a long way to go, but the first one's ticked off.
James, enjoy this again. Well done.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
一級賽16米董事杯，準備。 好，你一起步嘅時候啊，大家都平排躍出嘅，快少少嘅馬，出邊金鑽貴人快喎，埋邊鴻運帝王走咗上嚟啦，竹遠呢就咬住第2位，第4位浪漫勇士啊，中間第5有遨遊氣泡，第6位呢黃藍衫就係呢隻標誌銀河啊，內欄響個尾3呢暫時係美麗同享嚟㗎，後邊2匹馬分別係直線力山同埋隻陽光勇士嚟嘅。好啦，過1200米嘅段處啦，前面放嘅馬呢埋邊位置就鴻運帝王啦，中間係竹遠啊，響外邊金鑽貴人走上去啊，再見到第4位啊，外邊就浪漫勇士啦，中間有標誌銀河啦，內欄走咗上去有美麗同享啊，大約向尾3，外邊呢就遨遊氣泡啊，殿後2匹馬仍然係直線力山啦，暫時響後邊嘅馬呢係陽光勇士嚟㗎。好啦，過呢個800米段處啦，金鑽貴人直情自己帶添啊，跟住響第2位係浪漫勇士啊，內欄第3嘅馬呢有鴻運帝王啊，遨遊氣泡咬咗上嚟外邊嘅第4啦，中間第5呢仲有粉紅帽紅衫係竹遠啦，內欄美麗同享，大外檔有陽光勇士啊，尾3中檔位置直線力山，響後邊呢仲見到標誌銀河入正最後直路，金鑽貴人響埋邊，浪漫勇士率先上嚟過佢，跟住緊隨其後噶嘛，仲有遨遊氣泡追緊，中外檔竹遠呢亦都拱咗嗰隻陽光勇士追，最後200米到呢隻浪漫勇士已經將後邊嘅對手少少掟甩咗，埋邊有金鑽貴人、遨遊氣泡，出邊係竹園大外檔陽光勇士，接近終點，浪漫勇士結果留喺香港，贏出呢場董事杯啊！
睇第8場預計派出平頭第4名嘅，跑第1名1號浪漫勇士獨贏派15個半，位置係派10個05；第2名3號金鑽貴人，位置派45個半；第3名2號遨遊氣泡，位置派11個半；第4名係平頭馬8號竹園，9號陽光勇士就係咁長嘅平頭第4名嘅。連贏位1搭3就係派275蚊，3重彩順序1號、3號、2號係派1139蚊，單 T 派135蚊，位置 Q 1搭3派64個半，1搭2派14蚊，2搭3係派115個半。時間點樣呢？1分32秒6，
快啊，好快啊！
浪漫勇士就做咗成世仔喺香港最快嘅1000時間啦，自己嘅
快1秒3，
係因為頭3段咧都快過標準嘅。加埋而家比標準快咗7線。
2重彩1搭3嘅派彩就係410蚊。咁啊，浪漫勇士最後佢嗰個贏馬嗰個距離啊，就係1有3/4個馬位，好輕鬆啊！咁啊4重彩4連環先啦，呢度2條咧，1238呢一條咧派63蚊，另一條1239就好分啲272蚊。4重彩都2條，頭嗰3個位都一樣嘅，1328嘅順序1947蚊，1329嘅順序係派5608蚊。好啦，今屆董事杯嘅得主就係浪漫勇士。嚟緊部署都係挑戰3冠
香港金杯啦，
就可能呢關對嚟講係難度比較高，
最高一次喎，
對嚟講嫌短啊嘛。反而之後2關啊，仲係佢先至最首半路程，
個半月咁樣縮程，
係咯。
2400又要睇下咩對手咯，因為2400可能會有外國馬，係嘛？
會有機會，係咯。
遮打杯。總時間就超勁啦，1分32秒6，佢贏1有4/1個馬位。
所以話冇金槍60，佢喺本地係基本上係冇對手咯。
當年啊，董事杯就跑第2。
係。
咁啊，當年啊仲有加州星球啦，3大巨頭當年嘅。
咁當年嘅佢又未有咁勁嘅個感覺上，
越跑越有進步。早排有克服過一啲傷患啦，因為都做過手術嘅嗰隻左前腳。
係據聞粒螺絲仲喺度嘅。
左前腳做過手術啦， 但係都克服傷患復出，呢3場都係贏得出色。好，又係影下幾張大合照先啦。轉頭亦都係同頭先嗰場短途嗰場一樣啦，喺個跑道嗰度會有頒獎儀式嘅。
麥道朗呢一場攞翻12分啦，喺個騎師王度就追翻近潘頓喎。
係啦，
陣間可以再睇睇嗰個即時嘅賠率更新係點啊？
咁樣一來一回，潘頓呢場就係4分。
係啦，麥道朗28分啦，攞咗，潘頓就40分。
6環彩估計大家都仲叫緊啦。